This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block third-party cookies on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Brave here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To block third-party cookies on the Brave web browser, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Shields and click on Shields. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Block Cookies. And as you can see, I currently have mine set to block third-party cookies, but if you click this drop down, it gives you two different options: block third-party cookies or allow all cookies. If you want to block third-party cookies, you would select the top one. That is how to block third-party cookies on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.